Hi, this is Mrs. Renfro, and I wanted to show you how to hand in different types of work on EDU because I may ask you to do it different ways at different times. So, in general, when you are ready to hand something in, you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the assignment and you'll see a prepare answer button and you click it. You scroll all the way down again and you will see a text box. So then now you have some options. I may ask you to put a picture inside the text box. You would do that by pointing to this upload image and click on it. I can click here in the middle and now I can go get some kind of a picture and upload that. Now I want you to always notice at the bottom with pictures how big they are. And this one's quite large and it'll take up a lot of the screen. So I always want you to go in when you're uploading a picture, highlight this first part, change it to 600, just click in the second box and it will automatically change to keep the proportions correct, and then hit save. Now the picture isn't too big and it doesn't, go off the screen. If I ask you to type some text to go with the picture, you could just hit enter and type your text here, okay? And that would be all there is to it for that type of assignment. Sometimes I may ask you to copy and paste questions, put them in the text box, and then answer the questions. I'm just going to use this text right here for an example. I'm doing Control C to copy, click in the box, Control V to paste, because you can't really right click in here. Then you could just type your answers underneath each question. Okay? And that's one way. Just type your text in there. Another way might be I'll say, I want you to upload a file. So right here, this looks like a little piece of paper. It's called Upload File. If I click on that, I can click in the middle and I can scroll to a file that I might have. Whoops. Where did I go? All right, here. I'm just going to grab something and I can hit save and the file is right there. Now, if this is a Google Doc, you need to make sure that this is the shareable link, okay, that you're pasting in here. With the Google Doc, you would just copy the shareable link and paste it in here, but make sure that it's shared with me. Make sure it's in that shared class folder that I had you make. That way, I will always be able to correct your work. Okay, couple of last things. Now, you can, let's say we're going to insert a file again, but you can add a source. Let's say it is a Google document. There's another way to do this. You can hit add source and you can connect your Google Drive. I'm in here as a fake student, so I'm really not going to be able to do it. Let's see if it will let me. Put your email address in there, your password. Okay, and then hit allow. So now you've got a new resource right here, which is your Google Drive. Now you could go down through into your folders and you could find, whatever it is you want to turn in. You click the circle. You can save it as a link or you can save it as a file. Either way, it's fine. We just click on save as a link because I'm linking into it anyway. And here it is. So when you've done everything that you need to do and you have all your work in here, you're going to click on Save and Submit for grading. But let's say you're not done. Let's say that you are in here and you're still working. You can hit Save but don't submit, and that will allow you to go back in later, finish up, and then save and submit for grading. And this sends me this information, sends me the assignment. I can open it up and correct it just by clicking on it, and it should open right up. Okay, so that's how you hand in different assignments with this tool.